Some players have been experiencing Fall Guys crashing, stuck on loading screen, and freezing. If you are in such a situation, you can try these methods to fix it. Method 1. Check system requirements. Restart your system. Make sure your system matches the game's system requirements. That's why sometimes your game crashing, stuck on loading screen, and freezing. If your system is okay, then you try restart it. Restarting your system will eliminate any temporary error which is occurring due to the old cookies and cache or the system's other software is clashing with your gaming software. All of these errors will be eradicated after a simple restart of the PC or any other platform you use. Method 2. Check server status. Fall Guys is still a new game, and the surge of players could crash the server from time to time. You can check out the Fall Guys server on Twitter to see if the server's down. Or you can visit the Fall Guys support page and consult the staff. Method 3. Update your graphics driver and OS. In some cases, you'll have glitches during the game if you're using a faulty or outdated graphics driver. That's why updating your graphics driver is usually the thumb rule when troubleshooting game errors. Driver updates not only repair bugs but often come with a performance boost. Updating your graphics driver could be a potential fix for these problems. Method 4. Verify your game files. Corrupted game files can also cause your game to behave abnormally, so you can run some tests to verify the integrity of your game files. In case you play Fall Guys on Steam, open Steam, then navigate to Library. Now, right-click on Fall Guys, then select Properties. Next, select Local File, then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. In case you play Fall Guys on Epic Game Launcher, open Epic Game Launcher. Navigate to Library. On the Fall Guys game, click 3 dots then select Verify. Once done, try play the Fall Guys game again and check if the problem is fixed. Method 5. Stop overclocking your hardware. If you're overclocking your CPU or GPU, you can try stopping it before launching Fall Guys, by closing apps like MSI Afterburner and Intel XTU or by restoring BIOS settings. If you're not overclocking, go on and try the next method. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall the game. If you tried all the methods above and none of them works, you should then uninstall and reinstall the Fall Guys. So these are the solutions to your Fall Guys crashing, stuck on loading screen, and freezing issue. Hope this helps you. If you got any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment.